Hey there, are you ready to light up your photography game? Because we're about to show you the best ring lights for 2024. Join us on a journey through the world of dazzling illumination, where every click captures pure magic. Get ready to discover the warmth and radiance these ring lights bring to your shots, making every subject glow like never before. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love snapping pics for fun, these ring lights are about to become your new favorite tool. I have listed my top picks so you can easily find the perfect fit for your photography needs. And guess what? Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So let's light it up and make those photos shine. Number 5. Lume Cube LED Ring Light. Looking for the best quality? Consider this one. With a simple USB interface, it's easy to power up and get started. No need to fuss around with complicated setups. Guess what? This ring light is designed to travel with you. So whether you're on the go or at home, you'll always have that perfect lighting. It's got adjustable settings, so you can customize the brightness and color temperature to suit any environment. And check this out, it comes with everything you need right in the box. Tripod stand, AC adapter, smartphone clip, you name it. Versatile usage is the name of the game with this ring light. Perfect for YouTube videos, selfies, streaming, you name it. Plus, it's flicker-free, so you'll always get that professional quality lighting. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with this one. Number 4. Sensign Ring Light. While it's not the top contender, this buddy ring light impresses with its best waterproof design and user-friendly features. With USB connectivity and Bluetooth capability, it's easy to set up and get going. With 3 color temperatures and 10 adjustable brightness levels, you can customize your lighting to perfection. And let's talk about the tripod. It's versatile and super easy to set up, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. Powered by USB, you can use it with pretty much any device with a USB port. Plus, it comes with handy accessories like a phone holder and wireless remote control. And the best part? It's waterproof, so no need to worry about accidental spills. Oh, and don't forget about the after-sales service. This bad boy has got your back with a 12-month warranty. Number 3. Pixel Ring Light. This bad boy earns the title for the most versatile option, thanks to its adjustable lighting and high color rendering. With Bluetooth connectivity, it's super easy to set up and get going. Check out this awesome option for adjustable lighting with bi-color temperatures and an LCD display for clear readings. You can easily change brightness from 1% to 100% and switch between warm and white light without any hassle. Plus, it comes with a wireless remote control and selfie remote, making adjustments a breeze. With versatile accessories like an iPad holder and smartphone holder, it's perfect for all your shooting needs. And let's talk about the high color rendering. It brings out real, natural colors, making your content more engaging. And guess what? You get everything you need right in the box. Ring light, light stand, carrying bag, remotes, and more. Number 2. Neewer LED Ring Light. This buddy ring light stands out for the best reliability, offering powerful lighting with essential features included. With Bluetooth connectivity and USB interface, it's easy to get up and running. It's got a 48 centimeters outer diameter and 52 watt power, giving you plenty of light to work with. Plus, it comes with color filters for adjusting the temperature to your liking. Hey, the adjustable light stand is sturdy and easy to set up, perfect for any shooting situation. And with a soft tube, you can easily adjust the angle for the perfect shot. Plus, it comes with a cold shoe adapter and phone holder, so you can use it with your DSLR or smartphone. Whether you're shooting selfies, YouTube videos, or doing makeup tutorials, this ring light has got you covered. Number 1. Elgato Ring Light. And this buddy earns the title as the best overall for its total control over lighting settings, including brightness and color temperature adjustments. With USB connectivity, it's super easy to plug in and start using. Whether you're on a Mac, Windows, iPhone, or Android, you can adjust the settings right from the onboard buttons or the app. Plus, it's ultra bright with 2500 lumens and fully dimmable to suit any environment. You can also adjust the color temperature from warm sunset amber to cool Arctic blue, giving you full customization. And with premium OSRAM LEDs, you get constant intensity without any annoying flicker. Wait, there's more. The edge-lit design with multi-layer diffusion ensures even illumination, keeping you comfortable for hours of use. And there you have it, folks. We covered some of the best ring lights for photography in 2024. From adjustable settings to premium features, these ring lights are sure to take your photos and videos to the next level. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy shooting!